Good morning to all my students of class 7. My name is Hira and I will teach you English Pre online. The reason behind the online classes is the current situation going around the world, which is spread pupil to pupil, so stay home and stay safe. First of all, I will tell you what topic you will learn in the month of June. We will learn 4 topics in the month of June: noun, pronoun, application, story, and your homework topic is noun and verb. Sick leave. For our first topic is noun. Today we will learn noun. Definition of noun. This lesson is all about noun and kinds of noun. Noun is just a name of a person, place, animal, thing, idea, emotion, etc. For example, in this sentence, Sarah likes to go the zoo and see the animals. There are 3 nouns. Can you identify all of them? There are 3 nouns: Sarah, name of a person; zoo, a place; and animal. Now, kinds of noun. First kind of noun is concrete noun. Second, abstract noun. Third, common noun, proper noun, collective noun, and the most important area in the noun is countable and uncountable noun. But we will not learn countable and uncountable noun in this video. We will learn it later in the next video. Concrete noun. Noun can be a thing like table, t-shirt, pen, animals. That means we can see them, we can touch them. In other words, concrete noun have a real physical existence. That means we can see. But what is abstract noun? Abstract noun are the noun which don't have a physical existence. That means we cannot touch them, we cannot see them, and these are idea, feelings, etc. For example, in this sentence, honesty is the best policy. There are 2 nouns. It is a very popular proverb in the English. Honesty and the policy, because we cannot see the honesty and the policy. In the next example, love is a powerful emotion. There are also 2 nouns, love and emotion. Love is a power of feeling and emotion is also a noun. Okay, now let's talk about some common and proper noun. Common noun is the name of a general person, thing, etc. But proper noun is the name given to a specific individual or place or a thing, etc. For example, in this chart, woman and a man. A man is a common noun because it can mean any man, but the name Ali is a proper noun because it talks about one individual. Like in the same way, woman, it could be any woman, but Sarah is a specific girl. In the next 2, city and country are common noun, but Karachi and Pakistan are the name of one city and one country. So they are proper noun. Now let me ask you one thing. Do you notice something about the proper noun? You should be noticed that they are all written with a capital first letter, and it is actually a rule in the English language. Proper nouns are always be written in the capital first letter. In university, for example, when we talk about university in general, we use it as a common noun. The word written is in lower case. That means in a small letter. But when we talk about a specific university like University of Chicago, notice the both U of the university and C in the Chicago are capital. That because it is a proper noun. One specific university. In this example, we talk about one specific university, University of Chicago. I told you that a proper noun must be written with a capital first letter. It always be capitalized. Now let's talk about collective noun. Collective means something like collection, and a collection of noun is the name given in a group of a people and animals and things. Let's look at some common example. A group of a player. In collective noun, they are called team. A group of employees. They are called staff in collective noun. A group of a student called in a collective noun a class. A group of a soldier means army. A group of a keys means a bunch of keys. A group of criminals means a gang. You should learn some more common collective noun because it helps in speaking English. It will change your way of speaking English. I told you that we are not going to discuss in this video countable and uncountable noun. We will discuss it later in the next video because the online classes continue. When will your school open? The online classes will stop. अगर जिंदगी रही तो आपसे फिर मुलाकात करेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.